Tropical cyclone Alfred is expected to hit Australia's east coast later this week, although landfall could occur anywhere along a 300-kilometre stretch of densely populated coastline stretching from southeast Queensland to northeast New South Wales. At 11 a.m. AEST on Tuesday, Tropical Cyclone Alfred was a Category 2 tropical cyclone sitting about 630 kilometres to the east of Brisbane. The animation below shows Alfred spinning to the east of Australia on Tuesday morning. While its centre is clearly visible in these images, the bulk of its convective clouds, where most of the heavy rain is occurring, are located to the south of the system. The displacement of Alfred's convective clouds from its core is a sign that the system is battling wind shear, which means upper-level winds over the cyclone are strong enough to push its tallest clouds away from its low-level circulation centre. Tropical cyclones don't like wind shear because separating the low-level circulation centre from the convection typically prevents the cyclone from gaining strength. The images above also show dry air wrapping into the centre of cyclone, highlighted by the slot of air with patches of clearer sky wrapping into the system's core. As a result of this wind shear and dry air entrainment, Alfred is expected to hover around Category 1 or 2, strength on Tuesday, and is unlikely to become a severe tropical cyclone, Category 3 of higher. Alfred is expected to become slow-moving on Tuesday as it makes a turn towards the west. There is good agreement between forecast models that Tropical Cyclone Alfred will then move in a westward direction through the middle of this week before making landfall on Australia's east coast on Thursday or Friday. While there is still some uncertainty regarding Alfred's future track and strength, there is growing confidence that Tropical Cyclone Alfred will cross the coast in southeast Queensland or far northeast New South Wales as a Category 2 system on Thursday night or Friday morning. The map below shows the latest forecast track map issued by the Bureau of Meteorology shortly before 11 a.m. AEST on Tuesday. One of the most important features on the map above is the grey shaded area surrounding the forecast track. This shaded area, which extends from Alfred's current position towards eastern Australia, is called the Range of Likely Tracks of Cyclone Centre region. It shows that the centre of Tropical Cyclone Alfred is expected to be located somewhere inside this shaded area in the coming days, but most likely along the track that is plotted at the centre of this shaded region. The extent of the grey shaded area on the map above shows that the centre of Tropical Cyclone Alfred is currently expected to make landfall somewhere between Double Island Point and the area just south of the Queensland-New South Wales border. This covers about 300 kilometres of coastline, including the Gold Coast, Brisbane and the Sunshine Coast.